Hey guys, just wanted to show you something. I ordered this catch can. I'll show you the install. I ordered the black one. Yeah, it's billet aluminum. Got some nice looking hoses on it with end pieces, and the price was pretty good. 134 bucks prime shipping. I got it in like 2 days. So you know, I don't know. You can't beat that. I would have liked to got billet aluminum one, you know, from them, but gosh, they wanted to charge extra for this without anything inside of it. I'm just like, you know, dude, these people are just, I don't know, whatever. I won't say anything bad about them, but I just think they were too expensive. And these people are out of Florida, so I don't really trust anybody out of Florida, but I don't know. I got a pretty good deal on this. Anyway, let me run out to the car and I'll show you what it looked like. All right, there it is. So I put the sticker on here. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that there or not, but that's who it's made by. UPR products. So I'll just show you the size of my hand so you get a reference. But I don't know, it came out, I thought it came out pretty good. Pretty decent price. I just ordered the Hellcat airbox. So as you can see, there's no tube in there. I'm surprised why it didn't come with it. Huh. Hope I don't have any issues connecting that up. Over here, I guess. So, yeah, it's sealed up. Not for long, so it'll go through that air box, and I'll put a... I don't know if I'll put a K&N in there or not. I probably will. Had one once before. They still got the cleaning solution and oil, so I might as well. But anyway, a little bit at a time. I think what I will probably get from billet aluminum is these little covers. I like the covers, plastic ones right now. Change that out. And I got to order some decals for this thing. Probably gonna go with the rally stripes. And I had the little hash marks before, the hood marks, but I don't know. Sue says I should do something different. I agree. I always like the looks of the rally stripes on a white car. Thought it's pretty much like, you know, get the hell out of my way when you come up behind them on the highway. Although people do move out of my way when I'm on the highway. They see this thing coming up behind them. I do kind of part the seas like Moses, you know. So anyway, and have you guys checked out the tires on these wide bodies? These things are unbelievable. I don't know if it'll show. I'll show you in the back. Look at that crap. Is that amazing? I love these wheels. So yeah, no kitty. Got a bumblebee. So anyway, all right, so this was just a short video. Just want to show you what I did so far and what I got going on. All right, have a good one. Later.